everyone, welcome back to IULI HTM YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to share about Indonesian food tourism since Indonesia has a lot of region and each region has their own food characteristic, like the one that I want to share with you. The first one is sambal goreng from Cirebon and the second one is tahu aci from Tegal. I hope you like it and enjoy the video. Sambal goreng Cirebon is a local food from Cirebon that is suitable to be eaten as a side dish with rice or rhombus, snack, and condiment. Sambal goreng Cirebon has a characteristic taste of savory, spicy, and there is a little touch of ginger and lemongrass sensation in this food. This food uses a lot of spices which make it taste very good. The special characteristic of the sambal goreng Cirebon is that there are pieces of meat chunks and large red chili slices. In Cirebon itself, we can meet the sambal goreng Cirebon while eating jamblang rice. Many people that visit Cirebon buy sambal goreng Cirebon as a souvenir. Even though sambal goreng Cirebon is a home-cooked meal, many people from outside Cirebon want to learn about this food recipe. Because the first impression when we see this food, we will think this food is very spicy because it is very red and uses a lot of chilies. But actually, the taste of the sambal goreng Cirebon itself is not as spicy as we thought. That's why this food attracts many people, and also with the meat chunks added more attraction to this food. You can also add eggs, livers, or petai if you want to add more flavors and texture to the food. Sambal goreng Cirebon can be considered as a special food because usually people eat this food at certain moments such as social gathering, wedding parties, or Eid. The next one is tahu aci. If you go to Tegal, you must try tahu aci from Tegal. Almost on every side of the road, many sellers are selling tahu aci. Even the hawkers also sell this food on the bus. Tahu aci is a local food of Central Java, which specifically comes from the Tegal district, Slawi. Tahu aci is also known as Slawi tofu, since it's originating from Slawi, Tegal Regency. However, in Slawi itself, they don't have tofu production, and sellers are rarely found because tahu aci is prepared in the Banjaran, Adawiyah area. And tahu aci already exists in 1950, and until now, it becomes the most souvenir that must buy when we go to Tegal. Tahu aci has a savory taste and crispy texture. Tahu aci itself is made from yellow tofu, which is split into two parts to form two right triangles, then split in half and given the mixture made of starch or aci, pieces of chives, garlic, and several other herbs. They use yellow tofu because yellow tofu from Tegal is different from other regions, because tofu from other areas does not stick well to the mixture and it's easy to separate. Tahu aci is a souvenir that most attract by tourists after visiting Tegal. Usually, people who buy tahu aci as a souvenir also buy tahu aci that is still raw but has been given a mixture so that when they return to their home, they only need to fry it. Tahu aci became the interest of the tourists because tahu aci is very suitable to be enjoyed as a snack that is usually equipped with green cayenne pepper so that this food becomes even more delicious. Besides that, tahu aci can also be served with a complement of chili sauce as a dip. That was my explanation about sambal goreng Cirebon and tahu aci Tegal. There are still lack of sources and information about this food. I hope this information will help you when you're traveling to Cirebon and Tegal. Thank you.